Speaking of alignment, does the Dynamic Plus lowering springs need an alignment immediately? I know on McPherson it takes a huge impact and adds a load. Yes,
Yeah.
every time you take your suspension apart and put it back together, you need to realign it. Things move around, and everything needs to be readjusted once everything is replaced and torqued back up. Also, lowering the car does inherently change the alignment as well. So yes, anything with springs, not necessarily sway bars, but anytime you're disconnecting the suspension upright, so kind of the bearing carrier which the wheel attaches to, anytime you're disconnecting that from the top of the suspension or the rest of the suspension links, a suspension has multiple links that control it. Anytime you loosen or remove and replace any of those, you have to realign the car. Anytime you loosen your subframe bolts and move the subframe, you have to realign the car. So just goes with the territory.